make money online doing simple tasks. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So if you're interested in knowing how you can start earning from home today doing some simple tasks online, then you better stay tuned all the way to the end of this video, as I'm going to be demonstrating to you how it actually works out on this platform over here. So let's get straight into it. Welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, I would really appreciate it if you take a second to click on that red button down below to subscribe and join the family. You can also hit that like and share button down below. I really appreciate that. So in this video, as I have shared this I think about a few months ago, I shared about Remotasks and how it works. I showed you the payment proof. I showed you how to pass the exams and stuff like that. So I just wanted to bring it up again because I see right now a lot of people are trying to get onto it, and I just wanted to explain a bit more on how it works and if it's actually still even worth it right now. So that's what I'm going to be just showing you so that you can make your decision after watching this video. So basically, this is the Remotask. My link is going to be down below so that you can get straight to it. Otherwise, you can just go and tap in this link over here that you're seeing over here. You can just tap it into the browser and you'll be able to get to this web browser, to this page. What you actually be doing on this platform, right? So once you register, you actually have to do the go through some practice, right? Some tests. So this is with this one, this is where you actually are being taught how to do the work that you need to do, right? So first you sign up. As I said, the links down below. You can go to remotask.com and then you click on the sign up button. So it's very simple and straightforward, and then you verify your account and everything. Verification, by that I just mean like clicking a link that they will send to your email to verify that it's actually your email, right? So that's just the verification process over there. And I would recommend that you actually join with your PayPal email. So the email that you're going to be using to receive funds from this website, that's the one that I recommend that you use as your sign up email to make it easier. So once you sign up and you have clicked on the link to verify from your account, from your email that they will send to you, the next thing is actually to learn. So when you come to this, I'm actually going to do another video just now, and then I think I'm going to link it up on this video so that you also get to know what I mean by this. But basically, the learn process is where they train you. So it's actually free training that is on this platform to train you on how to do some of these tasks that you're going to be doing. So basically, they're providing you free educational materials, the videos and everything on how you actually get to do everything, right? So how to properly do it so that you get paid. So once you complete these tasks, once you complete these courses, these short courses, that's when you'll be able to unlock some work. So by this, that means you're just unlocking some projects that are available. So for you to actually get the most of this out of this platform, you have to complete all the courses that are there, right? So as I said, I'm going to be explaining about the courses more in the next video, but basically just all the courses that you're going to be seeing there, just complete all of them first and foremost so that you get all the possible work that is available. That way you always have something to do every single day, right? So that the more that you do, the more that you earn, obviously. So if you complete more of these tasks, more of these short courses, that means you'll be able to get the most work. So and then you get paid. So the payments, they're actually weekly and they're automated, right? So they're actually automated, as I showed in my previous videos on payment proof. They're actually automated. Every week your money will just come through to your PayPal account. So it's very, very easy that way, and it's just more promising, right? So there's no extra effort for you to request a withdrawal. So whatever is on your dashboard, end of the week is paid to your PayPal account. So that's how you earn your money and get paid weekly with PayPal. So just to take a look at some of the tasks that you'll be doing on this platform. So they say we have a wide variety of tasks. These are just some of a few examples. Most focus on providing human insight into text, video and images. So some of these tasks, as you can see over there, you have the images, drawing bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. So basically this is to help with the artificial intelligence for robotics and everything like that, so that they're actually able to see objects, right? To identify objects. So that's basically where the human interaction is needed over here, and that's how Remotasks is able to provide this type of work for anybody to be able to join, right? So one thing that I need to note, if you actually not able to join because of your country or something like that, I recommend that you install this plugin over here. So if you go to Google Chrome extension store, just look for this extension over here. It's called the one-click VPN, free VPN for Chrome, and then you just select from the countries that are there available to see which country you are actually able to be able to sign up onto this platform from, because I know for a fact that United States is actually not allowed on this platform, so you can try the other countries. But as for me right now, I'm in South Africa, so I'm actually able to use this platform without the need of a VPN. But if you need one, that is how you do it. You just go and install that, and then try any of these countries and be able to see if you can manage to be able to sign up, right? So going back to this, so that is the one of the tasks, and then the second one is 3D, annotate 3D data from LiDAR and radar sensors to help self-driving cars move forward. So that's another thing that you'll be doing over there. And then they have the OCR transcription. So this is basically like taking whatever is written on a picture and then taking into transcribing it into text, right? So when somebody is taking a picture, maybe it's a receipt, it's something like that, and then you have to identify the text that's on there and then type it out into a form. So that's basically the type of transcription that will be happening here. So this is different from audio to text transcription or video to text transcription, right? So this is the type of this is what they call the OCR transcription over there. So another thing is the categorizing that will be happening here. So basically here you'll be identifying keywords that describe what's in an image or text. So as you can see right there, you basically be describing what you are seeing on the screen. So all of this is you will be provided in the training. So as I said, in the next video I'm going to be showing you all these things. So this is basically the training over here, the training section, and we're going to go through that in the next video. But basically all the training that you need to be able to do this correctly, you will be provided with for free. So it's completely for free to get started. And if you actually use my affiliate link, when you reach your first $10 on this platform, you get a bonus of $5 because you've used an affiliate link to join. So which is great to have an extra $5 extra for just reaching $10 or your first $10 on the platform. So if you're interested in getting that extra $5, make sure that you use the link, my link down below, to be able to sign up instead of going straight to the Remotasks. So that's just an extra bonus for you. But also, the other task that you'll be doing is data collection. So search the web and collect data about anything. So they'll give you what they want, what they want you to do the research on, and then you'll be able to collect that data and everything. So that's basically some of the tasks, not all of them, some of the tasks that you'll be doing on Remotasks. So it's very, very interesting. I've tried it out myself and it works just very, very good. I really like the platform. So for anybody who's looking to do something new on the on the internet, work from home and earn some bit of cash, this is really 100% recommended. It's a great platform to get started, right? So here you can actually come through and then go through some of these testimonials over here. As you can see, there's some really good testimonials, and then the frequently asked questions. If you got any questions, you can always come through and read some of these. So how do I join Remotasks? So they explain over here, can I use the mobile to work? So basically, this is actually an important question. You can log into your dashboard using your smartphone, but they discourage you from working complex tasks like 2D and 3D annotation on any device other than a laptop or desktop computer. So some of the tasks you are able to do on your phone, but some of them you have to do them on a laptop or a desktop computer. So I think even a tablet will be fine, but if you can get a computer, that'll be better. So there are some tasks that you can do on your mobile phone, but basically they recommend that you do on a PC or a laptop, right? So and then with some of the other questions, do you have to pay to use the platform? As I said, you don't have to pay anything. There is a 2% PayPal transaction fee when they pay out your earnings. So that's just the only. This is actually being taken by PayPal, by the way, not actually a Remotasks. So that's just for transaction fees for receiving money from somewhere else. I'm pretty sure most PayPal users know about this. So that's the question. So I think that's the most important questions. So how do I do a task? Once you create your account, you'll be able to start taking courses in the Remotasks Training Center, and then after you complete the course, you'll be able to work on a project and you can start doing tasks and earning some cash. And then how do I get more tasks? Each project has a specific number of available tasks. Take more courses and get enabled to work on more projects. As I emphasized in the beginning of the video, the more of this training that you go through, the better than your chances of getting task every single day. So I really recommend that you go through all the training that is available so that you are able to get a task at least every single day, right? At least one every single day, but you should be able to get at least 2-3 tasks every single week. So it's all up to you how you want to handle it. If you want to spend a lot of time on the platform, you want to spend a bit of time on the platform, it's all you. Remember, you are your own boss here. You're not forced to attend to those tasks as soon as possible, right? So you can do whenever you are free to do it. So yeah, so it's all up to you how you want to do it. The rest of these questions, again, guys, just come through and then you'll be able to go through them and understand them. But if you get any questions, you can always leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So some of the last, I'm just gonna read these last 3 questions over here. So basically, how do we earn? So basically, you are paid per accepted task. So the amount paid will vary depending on the task complexity. We'll pay you via PayPal on Thursdays, so please be sure to have a valid PayPal email in your account before Monday 12 a.m. UTC to be eligible for to receive payout the following Thursday. So basically it's weekly, every Thursday, to get that payment. So how do you actually withdraw your earnings? After signing up, please be sure to add a PayPal email on your profile. This is as easy as going to your account page in your dashboard and entering your PayPal email address and country details. Make sure to save your changes and you'll be able to receive payouts the following paydays. Again, here when it comes to a country, be sure that your country is actually one of the accepted countries to be here. Otherwise, if you're not, then you can always use another country. I mean, you're not being required to provide some form of proof of address or anything like that. So I would recommend that you just search for the countries that are available, that are allowed. If your country is not part of the list, then you can use any other country that is part of the list, right? So that you can get access to the platform, right? So as I say, you can come through here and then see all the other questions. But basically, that's all for this video. I just wanted to introduce you to Remotasks for those who don't know much about it, or you are skeptical about it and want to know if it actually pays out. So it's pretty much legit. I've used it. I've shared my payment proof before, and you can go and search on YouTube. There's plenty of those videos on payment proof from Remotasks, because it's a legit company and they're doing a great stuff. They're doing a good job. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.